You gotta give me a minute. Darren's being a creeper. Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. Your standard 204 models are either going to come with 295mm rotors or 312mm depending on the model. This kit upgrades your rotors to the largest size offered on the 205, which is a 345mm rotor. So, your primary advantage here with a larger rotor is going to be more initial bite and more fade resistance. This is a plug-and-play upgrade. We recommend getting the correct 345mm brackets in order to do so, and we'll provide that information in a link below. What you're getting in this kit is an OE quality Zimmermann brake rotor. This rotor is actually featured as a stock part on the C250 models that were equipped with the performance package. So your C250 coupes with, I believe it's the P84 option code. Additionally, we have EBC's yellow stuff brake pads, a nice aggressive pad for the street, for light duty track use, autocross, but it's got manners. So no noise, easy braking with their red coating on the front here. Doesn't really need to be brought up to temperature to be effective. Additionally, we've got a higher temperature fluid from Motul, their RBF fluid, and you've got a replacement pad wear sensor, which you'll need for the job, and the paste for the sliding surfaces. If it's the first time you're doing a brake job on your vehicle, probably take you about a half an hour to 45 minutes to do so. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.